In this video, I'm going to show you how to void purchase orders. First, you have to get the permission to void purchase orders. You can activate the void button in the admin section of your project. If you have no access to this site, ask the administrator of your project to do it for you. After the void button has been activated, click on the purchase order you would like to void. You will find the void button on the upper right side in the detailed PO view. After confirming by clicking on the red button, your purchase order will be voided. One last note. This does not mean your PO has been deleted. The PO itself still exists and can be found in the filter of voided purchase orders.